वेलकम टू दी पावर प्लांट इंजीनियरिंग लेक्चर सीरीज। दिस इज़ द लेक्चर नंबर 11 और आज की वीडियो में हम डीजल पावर प्लांट का लेआउट देखने वाले हैं। दिस इज़ द जनरल लेआउट ऑफ डीजल पावर प्लांट। स्टार्टिंग विद द टॉप, fuel day tank, and then is the fuel oil pump and circulate to the oil filter, then is come to on the pump, and then fuel injector connected to the diesel engine। डीजल इंजन के साथ फिर साइलेंसर जहाँ से गैसेस एग्जॉस्ट होती हैं और एक एयर फिल्टर यहाँ पे कनेक्टेड है डीजल इंजन के साथ। देन सी इन द लेफ्ट साइड compressor to air filter, then it connected to the diesel engine, and the diesel engine is connected to the generator. Then in the left side, lubricant oil tank, then lubricating oil pump and oil filter, and these 3 points are connected to the diesel engine. Then used lubricating oil, डीजल इंजन में जो ऑयल यूज़ किया है वो यहाँ से नीचे आता है, जो ऑयल कूलर से कूल होके और लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल टैंक में जाता है दोबारा से। देन सर्ज टैंक कनेक्टेड टू द डीजल इंजन। इन द बिलो टू द सर्ज टैंक वाटर पंप, देन कंडेंसर, and this condenser is connected to the cooling tower. Then cooling water pump, and it is connected to the oil cooler, then is further connected to the diesel engine. Basically this is the general layout of a diesel power plant, and these are the various components in the diesel power plant. We are discussing these components one by one. So first component and important components of diesel power plant, these are the following. Essential component of diesel electric power plant are shown in the figure 13.1. 13.1 ये हम this figure considered this figure for this diesel power plant components. It consists of the following components. First is the engine. This is the main component of the plant which develops required power. The engine is generally directly coupled to the generator. Next point is air filter and supercharger. The function of the air filter is to remove the dust from the air which is taken by the engine. The function of the supercharger is to increase the pressure of the air supplied to the engine to increase the power of the engine. The superchargers are generally driven by the engine. Third component is the exhaust system. This includes the silencers and connecting ducts. The temperature of the exhaust gases is sufficiently high. Therefore, the heat of the exhaust gases many times is used for heating the oil or air supply to the engine. Fourth component is fuel system. It includes the storage tank, fuel pump, fuel transfer pump, strainers, and heater. The fuel is supplied to the engines according to the load on the plant. Fifth point is Fifth component is cooling system. This system include water circulating pumps, cooling towers or spray ponds, and water filtration plant. The purpose of cooling system is to carry the heat from the engine cylinder to keep the temperature of the cylinder in safe range and extend its life. Sixth component is the lubrication system. It includes the oil pump, oil tank, filters, coolers, and connecting pipes. The function of the lubrication system is to reduce the frictions of moving parts and reduce the wear and tear of the engine parts. Seventh component is the starting system. This includes compressed air tanks. The function of this system is to start the engine from cold by supplying the compressed air. 8 point is governing system. The function of the governing system is to maintain the speed of the engine constant irrespectively of the load on the plant. This is done generally by varying fuel supply to the engine according to load. So these are the components of diesel power plant and the general layout of the diesel power plant you see in this video.